So if you use wealthsimple, it's no secret that the charting software just sucks. I mean, sure, it's called wealthsimple, so I guess it's a little bit in the name. But this is really all you get. So this is Apple stock, for instance. You get your day, your month, year, whatever. But that's all the information. It's just a line graph and some other information on the bottom. And really, it's great for what it is in buying stocks, but in terms of analyzing stocks, if you want to do anything, more than surface level, this is kind of hard. And you also get an area too where, sure, it's free, but there's a lot of stuff that isn't free. So you have to combine kind of a good software with a good price being free as well. And I think I found a pretty good one here. So the charting software I use is actually an American software, and so I can't buy stocks on this. And I don't think you can. I think you have to be American system. But anyways, there's no point because I'd be paying commission and stuff, blah 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 blah, forex fees. But just for the charting software itself, I think it's perfect. And for what you get out of it and what's out there, I think it's great. So you can go ahead and you can I'll send a link in the description, and you can get on desktop whatever service you use, and of course free. I think I mentioned that again. And let's go check over the program. Alright, so here we go. We're on the platform itself. There's a lot of stuff going on, so we'll just take it piece by piece. I'll go on any stock. So I'm here open just what I was open on last, so Shopify for the American markets. And you can do, just the difference between these graphs and the wealthsimple graphs are huge. So what I like to use the candlesticks, I find they're pretty helpful. And not only do you get that, you get indicators. So you can see this green line here, I have a moving average, and I also have these at the bottom, so my RSI, my MACD. And you can go up here, and you can add basically whatever you want under the indicators tab. And I'll just scroll through, and there's a bunch of them, and then you can edit them individually as well, so I think it's really helpful. One thing, I'll go to the side here. So if you can see my mouse, it's up to 15 delayed minute quotes for this, and that is a little bit, or sorry, did I say this was American? So this is the TSX one rather. So there's a 15-minute delayed quote. If I go to the American one, there is no quote. Because remember, this is an American software, so all your TSX stocks won't be up to date. You can take the same thing, look at Air Canada, and I'll have a 15-minute delay as well. So if you're day trading and you want to be on these minute graphs, yeah, it's not going to work because you're going to be delayed a little bit. But any other swing trading, I think it's perfect. And not only do you get this, like here, so if you want to look at, let's go back to Shopify, I definitely have it. So financials, you have all your financial statements right here. You even have this analyst section. I never really paid attention to this, but maybe it means something to you. Another thing I really like, obviously you can have your watch list, but where is it? This tab right here. Once it loads, so it gives you a whole overview of the entire market. You can just see like the main indexes going here around the world, how the markets are doing. It's kind of interesting. You can see this part of the world, it's all green, red for the rest of the world, blah blah blah. Top gainers and losers for whatever market. Another great thing here is the earnings calendar on the right side of the screen, so you can go by, check your earnings, and just have them ready. Dividends as well, and even IPOs. So there's a lot of tools and a lot of stuff that you get for free. So yeah, the only downside is that there's delays, 15-minute delays, and you can't actually buy if you're in Canada. If you're in America, this is completely perfect for what you're doing. But in terms of free software that you can do whatever you want and then pair this, you analyze your stocks here, buy it on Wealthsimple, I think it's the perfect combination. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Maybe there's a different charting software that you guys use. I'd love to hear about it. But yeah, that's about it. Hopefully this helps you guys. See ya.